Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
we cannot hear you.
We cannot hear you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How's everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Good, ma'am.
Great.
very well.
What's
Ma'am,
the
how are you?
Mumbai? Not so chilly today? What about the winter?
Ma'am, you're muted.
So what about the winters? Not so cold? Or is it cold there in
Ma'am, my favorite.
Ma'am, very cold.
Chilly.
Very cold.
It's chilly.
Very-
Ma'am, this is my favorite season.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Me too. I like it.
Bombay, the winter seems to have stopped kind of. You know, it's not that cold.
ma'am,
Yes.
in Kolkata there is very much cold.
Okay, in Kolkata, there's the temperatures. What is the temperature there?
Ma'am, 23, 22 degrees
Sorry.
now. Now it's,
Now it is good over there.
yes,
Even now in Pune, it's like 22 Celsius. Otherwise, it was like 16, 17.
Oh,
So it was really.
yours is
16 is
below 16.
good fun, na?
Ma'am, in night there is very much cold.
Yes, in the night it's very cold. It's much colder than the day.
Maybe the night time, like something around 4 to 6, 7 is very cold. Then rest the day, so I don't feel like that very
Today,
cold. Yeah?
ma'am, yesterday I was wake up at 4 o'clock because of very much cold.
Yesterday, what happened?
Ma'am, yesterday I wake up on 4 o'clock
Oh,
because
why
of
so early?
winter. Ma'am, because of winter.
Because of?
Winter.
Because it was very cold, that's why.
Oh,
Yes.
very cold. But
I
I'm
cannot
able to only hear Amina very clearly and not others. What is the reason?
Because they're not speaking.
Internet problem?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but not very clearly. There are no internet disruptions, but then kind of your volume is a little low. Can you just check on your like speakers?
Ma'am?
Maximum? Yes?
Ma'am, now?
Yes, can hear you now. Great. What about my voice? Voice don't seem to exist only.
Ma'am, I will not switch on my video
Sorry?
for some days. Ma'am, I will not switch on my video for some days.
Annie, did you say
Ma'am, she can't.
I can't get you, beta?
Ma'am, she can't on her video for some days.
Okay, yes, I know about Sarah and my this Hina. Okay, you've got some internet issues. Okay, not a problem. Okay, we'll be doing electricity. Just trying to finish this chapter quickly. Today we have lots and lots of diagrams, basically. So just hope we can do some pages. Okay. We were done with this. Yes, we were done. Like what will happen to the brightness of the bulb if the wire is shorter and all. We were done with all this. will be making circuit
Ma'am,
diagram.
it will light lesser than the bulb wire.
Ma'am, we have not done page number 84.
We've not
Yes,
done what page number?
84.
84.
Yes.
Yes. We just started from 85.
No, ma'am, we have not started with it.
Were we talking about a fair test or something like that?
No, ma'am.
We
84
have done this.
is
We have done
We've
it
done this.
before. We discussed it.
Up to what I remember, it's like we've done this also. The brightness of the bulb, if the wire is thick. We all
We have also done this.
page number
on
80
the second
is also being
question
done.
we have not done.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. The second question we have not done. If
The
the
second
wire
question,
is
what will happen if the brightness of the bulb of a wire is shorter?
light lesser than the bulb wire is thicker.
So what will happen quickly? Can we just discuss this? What will happen?
No, the bulb will just light up faster because the wire is short, so the electricity has a shorter distance to travel.
Something is very. I am not able to hear anybody so clearly. Can you please repeat beta once again? What will happen?
Yeah, I said that if the wire is shorter, the bulb will like light up faster because the electricity has a shorter distance to travel.
Yes, it can travel. Yes, that's completely right. What will happen if the brightness will increase if the wire is shorter, because it does not have to face any type of obstacles. You know, the road will be very clean, just a short wire, and then you have wires, so the electrons can move freely, and it will light up brighter. Not quickly over here. Okay. We'll be talking about cell, batteries, and the circuit diagrams. Anybody who knows the difference between a cell and a battery? What is a cell? What is a battery?
Ma'am, a battery is a thing which you can charge and then you can use. A cell is like just like you can say an electronic toy. You put the cell in so it can operate, but at a amount of time, like after some time, it can lose its power.
Yes.
And the battery can store its power and you can use it. Then you can also charge it.
Charge it. Okay, yes. So you can see that it is pre-charged. The cell is pre-charged, and batteries you need to charge. I'm trying to say that. Yes, definitely that this is one of the difference. But the main difference is cell is the smallest unit. You see the small cells in our watches,
Yes.
small one. The smallest unit
Yes.
that contains electricity, or not electricity, that contains charge is called as a cell. And a group of cells together is called as batteries. Can you see? I can call them batteries because there are group of cells together. It is called as battery. Okay. Quickly, I'll just read this because it's very short, and the long thing I'll let you all read. A series circuit is an electric circuit which has only one path through it. See, there are two types of circuit, series and parallel. What happens in series? There is only one path. You know, you have one rectangle sort of a diagram, and there is only one path through which the electricity is supposed to flow. That time we call it as series circuit. But what will happen if you have two or three connections to the wire? It becomes parallel circuit. You will get to learn this in future for the chapters. Okay, to list all things that you use while making a circuit, what all is required to make a circuit quickly, you will tell, I'll write. What all do you make a circuit?
Wires,
Yeah.
wires,
a battery, and a light bulb
Plastic,
or whatever you
case.
need to charge.
Plastic
Yes.
case.
Wires, batteries.
ma'am, in a plastic that we can
The plastic case.
Wires, batteries, and what did you say? Bulb.
Plastic.
One more thing that you said is the plastic case. Plastic case is like kind of a switch sort of thing.
Yes.
No,
Then what is it the plastic is?
A plastic thing which is
Say. See, when you're attaching a battery, you will not require a, what do we call, a switch, because we already have a battery to power the circuit. So either you write a switch or you write batteries. Will that be fine? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I can only see Aman eyes rolling here and there, here and there, here and there. Okay. It takes time to draw a different types of circuit. Think how long it took you to draw a circuit. To save time, we use symbols to draw diagrams of circuit. All the signs you drew for are called as components or parts. What are the different components? I will say what are the different components of a circuit? So you can say either a bulb, a battery, a wire, ammeter, anything. Those are the parts of the circuit. There is a symbol for every component. We all have to learn what are the different symbols, and we are going to make a circuit accordingly. Okay. So what do we have? We have a symbol for cell, that is plus and minus. If we attach a cell, you're supposed to draw this in the circle. Draw cell.
And negative and positive.
Sorry.
Negative and positive.
Okay. Symbol
Plus
Ma'am,
and
can you hear
minus
me?
one, ma'am.
Yeah, it's for negative and positive as well.
Yes. And see, can you just notice the difference between a cell and a battery? When there is only one cell, there is this one line. But what are batteries? They are group of cells together, one or more. So now you can notice these two lines. So if I ask you to attach two batteries, then it will look something like this. If I ask you to attach three batteries, you will add this portion once again. Understanding how will you draw a circuit? If I ask you just one battery, it will look something like this. Two will look something like this. And three, you have to add on this part again and write positive and negative. Is this clear? Why am I discussing this? Because now from the next page onwards, you have only circuits. You are supposed to only draw circuits. You need to be really thorough with this. Okay. Symbol for bulb. I don't know what bulb looks like this. I never saw a bulb like this. We draw wires as straight lines. These are the straight lines that show the wire. Wire, you can simply draw a rectangle, that will be fine for you. Move on to the next page.
Can I read?
Somebody, I want to read battery. Who read what is battery?
Can I read? Ma'am?
Somebody who wants to read battery?
Ma'am,
Yes.
shall I read?
Yes, Sarah. You want to read? Please read, beta.
what is a battery? A battery is a collection of smaller units called cells. One end of a battery is positive, the another end is negative. When you make a circuit with more than one battery, you must set up the batteries correctly. You must join together positive opposite ends of the battery so that the current flows around the circuit. You must not join two positive or two negative ends together. If you join the same ends together, the circuit will not flow around the circuit.
We all have played with toys with batteries. You know how to place a battery correctly? Anybody who knows it?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you supposed to connect it? Please explain.
Well, there's a socket there, and You need to put the negative and the positive signs properly. If you do not do that, the battery will not work or the
Yes.
electronic toy.
Irrespective how many batteries you put, if you do not connect the negative to the positive, it will not work. In simple language, anybody who can show it to me, even if you have a remote control.
Ma'am, wait a second. I'm getting it.
Sorry.
I'm getting it.
Okay. Now waiting. Now we can actually, like I till many years I did not knew this. Like it is at least more than what you are. I did not know how to connect batteries. And so always wonder ki dad used to do it and it used to get connected. Why not I? But then he explained it to me that how we're supposed to place the batteries. Okay, where do you place the flat end? Against what?
Ma'am, the
Yes.
flat.
Who got it? Amina, you got the battery?
Ma'am, she's getting it, she said.
Okay, he's getting it. Yes. Okay, so Sarah, where does the flat end gets attached?
Ma'am, what you said, can you say another time?
Sorry,
Your voice is little bit low, ma'am.
my voice is a little low today.
Yes.
Not loud, it's clear.
Sorry, Umar, what did you say?
The voice is clear.
My voice is clear. You can hear me properly.
Yes, ma'am, now I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay, might be some kind of internet issues, they keep on going on. This is the only drawback of having an online class. The technical thing will never support you. Okay, yeah. So what were we discussing? We were discussing that where does a flat part go? See, there is always there are two parts to a battery. The one that is raised and the one that is flat. Where are you supposed to attach the flat part?
Ma'am, with the end of that,
End of like you have a spring on one side and one side is
Yes,
plain,
yes.
right?
ma'am, like in the remote, in the TV remote,
Sorry.
we place them in cross manner.
Yes, in a cross in the sense positive to negative. But the only logic behind this is you have to attach the flat part to the spring part. That is the only thing
Yes,
where it
ma'am.
will connect. All flat parts will be connected to the spring parts. We'll get to know. I mean, I will show everybody will get a live demonstration of how it is to be connected. Okay, before she comes in, we can read this. Some
Ma'am,
scientists say,
sorry, but it's not opening.
sorry, beta.
It is not opening. The battery,
Okay, it is not.
the battery component is not opening.
Oh. I mean, I can see two batteries. I can show it to you.
Ma'am, can I get a
I
clock?
can see.
Wait, hold on. I think
A clock.
I might have something.
Oh, I have something to show. See, I have something to show. You can find all these stuffs in my house. Okay. I have 3 batteries now. Okay. This, if you can see, is a pointed end. This is a flat one. The flat one will go against the spring. Here is a spring. I hope everybody can see it.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, this is the flat part that will go against the spring part.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pita?
here.
And now it is a little here and there, and it will not work.
Yes. Ma'am, we have to place it correctly. That's why.
Sorry?
Uh, ma'am, there used to be batteries here. Here.
Mariam, are you trying to say something?
No, I'm showing you. I found a thing. There used to be batteries here. They fell out.
Maybe because your pronunciation, something, I find it little difficult to understand what you're trying to say. Can you just write it in the
Ma'am,
chat box? Yes.
Ma'am, she's saying that she's showing the battery where the battery is kept.
Oh wow, you
Right.
can
And the
this is
screen.
screens that Mariam can show it to us. Wow, that's really great. Yes, Mariam, is this what is it? What is this, Beta? Is it a toy or
A
something?
lightsaber. Yeah,
A lightsaber.
a
It's a lightsaber.
lightsaber toy.
Lightsaber. What is this exactly?
In Star Wars,
It's a
now there is
sword
a
from
it, it's a sword from Star Wars movies. Like they use that type of sword to fight.
Oh wow, that's really great. Okay, so where are the batteries getting attached? Can you just show it to us once again, Beta?
The batteries
This is
fell
my
out.
brother's. I don't know where he kept it. This is my brother's. I don't know where he kept the batteries.
Okay, okay. Wow, that's really great. How old is he?
He's in Newton. He's like
Sorry,
9.
He's in
9.
Newton.
9 years
He's
old.
9.
And what about you? How old are you?
I'm 12.
12. Wow, that's great.
12.
Great. Okay. Okay. Moving on. Now everybody knows how to connect a battery. So whenever anybody comes, I know my students will excel. They'll put right batteries in the right spot. Great. Some scientists say that a battery acts like a water pump. Can you use the information above to explain this idea? Why is a battery called as a water pump? Simple answer.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because it's
because it is joined together, like one side is negative and the one side is positive. So when both of them are joined, so like how we do like this, like a hand pump, like a water pump. So it comes like to one end to another, it goes like pass throughs.
Yes.
I think so, like a water.
Yes, like just like a water pump, like kind of creates a connection when we push it. The same in a battery also. One thing is that just like a water pump pumps the water, what does a battery do? It pumps electricity. This is a resemblance between a water pump and a battery. It comes into contact and the water pump gives water and a battery gives power to the electrical appliance. So we can say, we can directly compare a water pump to a battery, because that pumps water, battery pumps electricity. Okay, which conductor will you use and why? After going through electricity in that detail, what conductor would you prefer to use and why? Simple answer. We've done this before.
yes, copper. Or
Sorry.
Ma'am, I'll use copper because it's
yes,
cheap and
Yes, it
it's
is
always
cheaper.
available in the market.
ma'am,
And
copper.
It's cheaper and it's always available in the market. Like you can go to any appliance shop and they'll have it.
yes, cheap is one part of it. There are more two parts, more two properties that make copper a good conductor. Quickly,
And also because it is a good conductor.
good conductor, you can say conductivity. It has a high conductivity, that it can pass on electricity at a very good speed. One more is where cheap price, high in conductivity. Point number 3 is missing. Something where it can be drawn into wires, can be hammered into thin sheets. What are those terms called as? Remember? Property of
Connected.
Ductility.
sorry.
Connected.
No.
Ductility.
Mariam, you remember it? What is the
Ma'am,
property
I
of a metal?
remember.
Ductility.
Ma'am, because of
Somebody told the answer.
conductivity. Ma'am,
High, high ductility and high conductivity.
High ductility, high
And because
conductivity,
of
and
cheap
cheap
price.
price. So which conductor will you use? So we can say we'll use a conductor that is made up of copper. Why? Because it has high conductivity, high ductility, and low price. Simple.
Yes.
ma'am.
Are you playing games? Or are you listening to me with that much of attention? Because not even blinking his eyes. Either he's very fond of me or else he's doing something else. Kumar? Oh, he turned on. He's playing games. Then I'm sure he's playing games. I could literally like just focusing on the screen. So he's doing something else. Okay. Can you draw a circuit diagram with these parts or components? Draw a diagram in your investigation notebook. Again, we'll be posting this in Google Classroom, but as for now, I want somebody who can draw a circuit, a simple one, which has one battery, wire, and one bulb. Anybody who can draw this? Myra, you can draw? Okay, Mariam is drawing. Great. Madam, can I ask you?
What is that? What? One bulb and what?
Yes, you need to draw one battery, wire, and one bulb. Yes.
Battery. Ma'am, from symbols we can draw, na?
Yes, the bulb, yes, from the symbols, or the batteries will be also from the symbol, the bulb will be also from the symbol.
Can I draw?
If you want, I can show you the symbol.
Ma'am, can I draw?
You want me to show the symbols?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I draw also?
Am I getting it? What did you say? I'll just show you the symbols.
Can I draw, ma'am?
If you want.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
I think so. This looks something like a battery. Like, is this a battery, Mariam?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And
Ma'am,
symbol.
I want to ask the symbol on the next page. It is written two batteries. You will make only one, na?
Yes, so the down one, which has two. And again, I will request Mariam, even your batteries, I want you to draw it like this. I'll just show it to you. We'll just stick on that page and then we'll draw it, so it will be easy for everybody. Huh?
Ma'am, the page number 86. Yes.
See, so I want you to draw a bulb like this and one single battery like this. Mariam, can you draw this?
Okay.
You can draw on this page also, that's fine.
Yeah, I think I can draw it.
Can I draw?
Yes. Sarah is drawing. Why is Myra so quiet today?
Yes.
Why are you so quiet today, Beta?
I'm like that sometimes.
Ma'am, wait a minute. I will make down. She is.
Now I can see only batteries and batteries only.
Only 1 second.
Yes, I want only one battery. It looks something like this. Keep on practicing circuits in your notebook because you will get
1 minute.
authentic assessment. You will get this in your paper. Draw a circuit. You can be asked either with 2 bulbs, 3 bulbs, buzzer, ammeter. It can be asked.
Done.
Myra, Sarah, Mariam. But everybody is only drawing.
And this is mine. This is mine. I've done.
You know, Aman also.
Ma'am, I have done this. green and that.
Sarah, I can't see yours.
Draw the circuit. Why are you only drawing the batteries, Vita? I'm waiting you to draw the circuit. Everybody has only drawn a battery. Draw a circuit that has a battery like this. Can you see it? I can only...
You said that we can draw battery.
Sorry.
Can you see mine? I draw I drew this.
This is a circuit. I can only see batteries.
No,
connected to wires.
no. Battery
Ma'am,
wire bulb.
What in the...
Sorry, Amina.
Battery wire.
I went to the bulb and the wire.
Yes, you've drawn the symbols, but you've not. Okay, I'll just show you. I'll just show it to you. How does the circuit look like? Give me a second. I'll just show it to you. We have it on the. See, this is what I want you to draw.
You have to connect it
These are two batteries connected.
like this.
On only one. Yes, I want to draw this. Chalo, quickly, just look at this and draw. Maybe in your book also it will be fine.
Ma'am,
Because your the freehand thing gets a little
1
different.
minute.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am not doing free hand because
Wow. Mariam, but then again you've attached, I can say 3 batteries. No, 2 batteries. I want you to attach only 1 battery. Only this part will come, not the other one. Can you correct it, Mariam? Because again, you have to be very precise with the number of batteries, with the number of bulbs. To pay a little attention. Yes, perfect. Yes. And connect this. Yes, connecting this. If this was not connected, it will not work. So never leave any part in a circuit. Everything has to be connected. Very good, Mariam. Very good. Okay, who else is Sarah's drawing? Umar, we have all. Everybody's drawing. Wow. Wow, Amandi. I think so in my next lecture I have to ask everybody to only draw. That is the only way I can make everybody participate. Aman, I like your drawing. Amina's drawing. You can draw it in your books also, no? You will get a...
ma'am, somebody is erasing.
Yesterday what?
Ma'am, I have a textbook, so I will draw at home.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
See, what we can do is that, drawing here has become a little difficult. We all can draw and we can show it on the screen. That'd be fine because these next few pages, I'm going to only ask you to draw the circuits. Because this is even taking more time and it is not even feasible to draw it over here. So everybody, you have to arrange a note. Quickly draw it and just show it to me on the screen. Okay.
everyone is. And this is also
Sorry, Myra.
no.
Ma'am, can you see it? Can you see it?
Very good, very good. You've drawn a bulb and a battery. Very good. This is what you can do it. So that
Ma'am, I cannot show it to you because if I switch on my video, it will be.
because
When I switch on my video, it gets. Ma'am.
can you write in the chat box that I'm not able to hear you?
Ma'am, when I switch on my video, yeah, I cannot hear you. That's all. Ma'am, now can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, when I switch on my video, then I cannot hear you.
Okay,
Your
okay.
voice breaks.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But I can expect this from others. So only for
Yes,
practice.
can you see mine?
Yeah, that
I'm
there is no
doing it.
problem. Okay, yes.
Can I make
Who's
that
brown one?
and post it in Google Classroom?
Who has drawn the brown one? Aman? Did you draw this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this circuit can I draw at home and post it in Google Classroom?
Your voice is very, very slow, but I'm really sorry, but I'm not able to get it. It is better if you write a chat box, so it gets a little quicker. Let me just trying to listen what you're trying to say.
Ma'am, she's saying that
Ma'am,
can
I'm
I draw
showing the
it
circuit.
and then submit it in the Google Classroom?
Definitely, definitely, you can do this. And again, I'm going to post this also when we finish this chapter, so that you've got a big homework for your the Christmas vacation. You only
Ma'am, is the circuit correct?
Ma'am, I want to,
I can say anything.
we are getting Christmas holidays.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, listen now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Beta.
Ma'am, Aman is calling you.
Aman is
Calling you.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Aman, which one have you drawn, Beta? Brown one or the black one?
Ma'am, it's the
Brown
brown
one is
one.
perfect. Black one is also yes. Only the need was a bulb over here. Yes. And the cross sign for the bulb. See, for the battery, just remember one big line and one small line, plus and minus is one battery. This laptop, I'm not able to use my free hand, or else I would have shown it to you. Battery is what? One big line, one small line. The big line has a positive sign and the small line has a negative sign. That's it. Okay. Can I move? Yes, Vita?
we have to draw this.
Yes, you're supposed to draw this in your notebook. Okay, let me just move further. It's 10:39.
It's 10:39, not 49.
Yes. Okay. See, two batteries, wires, and one bulb. Two batteries. You've seen just the diagram that is there down. Shows two batteries, one wire, and one bulb. No confusion. Okay. Anya, can you draw a diagram
ma'am.
with two battery, wire, and one bulb?
Ma'am, I can't make on the screen.
Okay, but then did you understand it, how to draw the diagram?
What, ma'am?
Did you understand how to draw the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can we now draw two batteries with wire and three bulbs? What are you going to do? You're only going to draw three bulbs over here. You know, two batteries, one big line, small line, big line, small line. That will become two batteries. Mariam, Mariam.
But
wow.
ma'am, I don't have any option to draw.
Yes, Mariam, that's perfect. Okay.
Ma'am, can I come in a minute?
Sorry, beta.
Ma'am, can I go for 2 minutes?
Yes, sure. Yeah.
What you said, can you say another time because I was disconnected?
Okay. And the last one says two batteries, wires, three bulbs, and an ammeter. What is an ammeter? What does an ammeter do?
Ma'am, ammeter measures the current flowing through it.
Very
Through
good.
the circuit.
Measures the current that flows through the circuit. How does an ammeter looks? Ammeter, the symbol, you have to just draw the symbol. It is just like a bulb that we draw, just with two lines across it. Simple. So if we can draw bulb, we can draw ammeter, wire, and batteries. I hope it is simple up till here. There is no confusion. You can draw it by yourself. Yes.
Ammeter symbol is A.
The symbol is?
A.
A.
Sorry?
Ma'am, the ammeter A.
She's saying that the ammeter symbol is A.
A. Yes, the symbol is A. Okay. So can I assume that I'm done with this page? We can all draw a circuit. It is very simple. We know the symbols. We can draw it. Can I assume this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me just do this. Yes.
Shall we draw the diagrams as homework?
Definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely. You want me to post this in the Google Classroom and you'll submit all these 4 diagrams? You want me to do this?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes, yes.
ma'am,
Yes,
I
please,
want
ma'am.
to ask something.
Please ask Vita.
Ma'am, what diagram we have to do?
We are supposed to do these diagrams, these 4 diagrams. One battery,
1, 2, 3.
wire, one bulb, 2 batteries, wire, one bulb,
No.
batteries, wire, 3 bulbs. Simple. Will you be all able to manage it?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes.
Okay. So ending my session over here. We'll be posting this today itself. Definitely. I have to remember. I'll be the first one to forget it. No. We'll post it today itself. No worries. And I want everybody attending this session to please submit it. Okay? It goes without giving any prior notice and all. Chalo.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a good
Bye,
day.
ma'am.
Bye,
Have
ma'am.
a nice day.
Same
Have
to
a
you.
nice
Have a
day,
nice
ma'am.
day, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.